Comfort is extremely important for us here at UFree. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your seat to the best riding position for your unique riding style. Let's get started.
If your knees lock out, then lower the seat an inch at a time until you maintain a slight bend in your knees when your legs are fully extended. Next up, we're going to adjust the angle. There isn't a hard rule when it comes to the correct angle of your seat. It mostly comes down to personal preference. To adjust the angle of your seat, all you need to do is loosen the two bolts on either side of your seat post. If you have a seat post without suspension, then there is a single bolt underneath that you will need to loosen. Once the bolts are loosened, just wiggle the seat around until it's in the proper position, and then tighten the bolts back up. Finally, let's adjust the suspension of the seat post. If you look inside of the seat post, you'll see a silver disc with a space for an Allen wrench. If you want your suspension to be more firm, use an Allen wrench to turn the bolt clockwise. Conversely, if you want the suspension to be more soft, turn the bolt counterclockwise. Take your bike for a spin to see if additional adjustments are necessary. Now you're ready to ride. Thanks for watching.